Are you spending endless hours navigating through Etsy products related to your next product idea? Copying product info by hand, switching tabs, scrolling through listings, and wrangling messy data into spreadsheets? Let me introduce you to Etsy Data Extractor, a lightweight, one-click Chrome extension that automates the entire process of collecting Etsy product data. Just type your keyword, hit start, and sit back. The extension navigates Etsy pages, finds the products, and extracts only what matters. It captures product titles, prices, ratings, and links so you can easily view product images. Then, it compiles everything into a clean, automatically downloadable Excel file. Whether you're launching a new product, scouting your competition, or analyzing trends, Etsy Data Extractor makes your workflow smarter, faster, and less frustrating. Get started today. Buy once. Load it in Chrome. And start extracting Etsy data like a pro. Buy today on Gumroad and spark your next product idea with confidence.